All right, data nerds, hold on to your keyboards. Do you know Fabric is brought to you by KratosBI, home of the data gods, funded and paid for 100% out of our own pockets from your donations and your support. No sneaky sponsors, no corporate overlords, and definitely no affiliation with any other company. KratosBI out. Welcome to Do You Know Fabric? We are here live at the T-Mobile Arena minutes before Aruna goes live with a keynote speech. I'm Chris Wagner, this is KratosBI, and today is the best day ever. One fearless contestant is about to battle it out with Microsoft Fabric trivia for big cash. Here's the scoop. You'll face 5 questions, each tougher than the last, with prizes stacking up 5, 10, 20, 50, and even $100. If you can conquer them all. Choose the best answer from 4 options. Only my answer counts, so no exceptions. Get it right, your money grows. Get it wrong, it's game over. It's all or nothing for the best day ever. Are you ready, Data God?
Yes.
All right, let's dive in. Before we get into it, what's your name?
Lauren.
Lauren, and where are you from?
Minnesota.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, Wisconsin.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, Lauren, you get to pick from your questions. Which stack of questions do you want to have? That one? Okay, good deal. Lauren, question 1. What is a key characteristic of Microsoft Fabric that distinguishes it from traditional data tools? Is it A, it's limited to on-premise deployment, B, it requires manual server management, C, it focuses only on real-time data, or D, it's an all-in-one analytics platform?
D.
D is correct. Microsoft's Fabric stands out as an all-in-one analytics platform integrating data ingestion, storage, processing, and visualization into a single SaaS solution, unlike traditional tools that often require separate components, manual management, or have narrower focuses. All right, so you got $5. You want to keep going for 10?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Which Microsoft Fabric component allows users to create a unified view for data for business reporting? Is it A, semantic models, B, data pipelines, C, notebooks, or D, real-time analytics?
A.
A, semantic models.
Yeah.
That is correct. Semantic models in Microsoft Fabric enables users to define a unified business-friendly view of data, optimized for reporting and analytics in Power BI, distinct for pipelines for data movement, notebooks for coding, or real-time processing. Good job. All right, we're starting to get some real money here. For $20, you want to keep going?
Yeah.
All right. What type of data is typically processed in Microsoft Fabric real-time analytics? Is it A, strategic historical data, B, aggregated business metrics, C, pre-processed relational data, or D, streaming or time series data?
Streaming. D.
That is correct. Real-time analytics in Microsoft Fabric is designed to handle streaming or time series data using KQL to analyze data as it arrives, unlike historical data warehousing, aggregated metrics, BI, or pre-processed relational data. Excellent. All right. We are now going up to $50. This is for real money. Do you want to keep going?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Which Fabric feature ensures that data lineage is tracked across all transformations and reports? Is it A, Synapse Query Insights, B, OneLake Shortcuts, C, Dataflow Gen 2 Logs, or D, Microsoft Purview Integration?
I'm not confident. I'm going to go with D, though.
You're going to go with D?
Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah, we'll go with it. It's wrong?
D is... We'll be right back with the answer after this. No, I'm kidding. We don't do ads. Yes, D is the right answer.
Okay.
Microsoft Purview integrates with Fabric to provide end-to-end data lineage, tracking data from source through transformation to final reports, ensuring governance and auditability. Shortcuts link data, logs record pipeline activity, and query insights optimize performance. But only Purview handles comprehensive lineage. Good job. Now, we're about to go on to the $100 question. You have $50. Do you want to keep going?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, because that $50 doesn't really exist.
Right, that's
I
right.
don't have it right now, so I'm not losing it.
Right. Okay, good. Let's keep going. This is for $100. In Microsoft Fabric, what occurs when a capacity's compute usage exceeds the FSKU limit during a peak workload without any additional manual scaling? Is it A, workloads are paused until the next billing cycle? B, excess usage incurs pay-as-you-go overage charges? C, interactive operations are prioritized and background tasks are throttled? Or D, the system automatically doubles the capacity for 24 hours?
Well, I've had this happen before.
You've had this happen before.
And the only thing that I can remember happening is that our reports just like wouldn't load
Yep.
and nothing else was charged or anything. So the only thing that's related to that would be C.
C?
Yes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That is correct. In Fabric, if an FSKU's compute usage exceeds its time during a peak without manual scaling, no auto scale kicks in. Instead, the system prioritizes interactive operations, i.e. queries, and throttles background tasks, i.e. refreshes, to manage within a fixed capacity, avoiding pauses, overages, or automatic doubling, per the smoothing and throttling mechanisms outlined in Microsoft Capacity Management docs. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You won $100. Thank you so much.
That was exciting.
Well, and thank you for being here today on Do You Know Fabric. You have the best day ever. Peace.